I'm sorry, but I was so cringe in my Hamilton era. I'm so sad it lasted like 3 to 4 months. I have and still have not in use had a John Lawrence RP account. I will change it soon, but I just don't know what to yet. But the fan role plays, these were real people. And I'm not better. I may have dabbled on the role plays, but I drew a line at some point. But the John Lawrence turtle twink boy thing is so fucking disrespectful. These were real people. I feel so bad. And look, if you're in the Hamilton fandom, I couldn't care less. Carry on yelling the lyrics to Washington on your side. Carry on. Hell, I'll join you. Just remember they were real people. Melon out.